Chat, new update? New update? Not new update? It's Friday. Not Friday? What? What? What the heck? That kind of scared me. Why am I brown? Ah! Ambush. What the frick? Hold on. Yo! What the heck? What the heck? What? This is sick! What the heck? Summer camp? Oh no! They closed it down. What's the new stuff? What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What the heck? Splash and dive. New. Alright, that's actually sick. What the heck? Balloon! There's a new balloon. Can I feel in love this? Can I feel in love this, guys? We got this. Out. There's a clap. Out. We got this. Puffer fish. Hi. Hi. And got this. It's actually sick. Catch it! Imagine you throw it. What the heck? Oh. Hey, bro. I'm gonna name you Captain. Wait, it's sharks now? Oh, that's so weird. Got it glitched. This isn't glitched. Ah! 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 That's sick. Look at my chest. Ah! Because that's what people do, right? Or did you not? What's over here? What? Actually, it's actually a vibe. Wait, is it burn stuff? Okay, I think there's something in here, but I'll check at the end of the video. I'm just on this airplane real quick. I can't. Can I? I can. Why is it's too fast? I'm gonna do it. And it. Frick! Why is it doing that? Yeah, I quit. Okay. What's in here? What the heck? What the frick? It got flooded. What? The full shark. I'm on a shark. What the heck? What the freak? This is actually sick. What the heck? Now let's check. What's the beach map guy? Harry caves? New caves? What, or canyons? Most likely did. Most likely, right? Is that a target? There's a target. I put the other map did. What? I did not see that. Almost missed that. Look at the sky. That's actually sick. What the heck? Or I forgot what it's called. Air balloons, right? Air balloons? Yeah. Okay, now it's time to check out this new game mode. What the heck?
Have you guys seen Mark the Shark yet?
Oh my god, bro.
Has anybody seen Mark the Shark?
Oh, see me.
This trash.
What the heck is invisible?
This trash, the new paddock.
What the heck is she sick?
The new paddock mode.
I'm having fun.
Okay, I'm going to take off my cosmetics. Oh my god.
I can see you. I don't know why.
I'm scared.
I don't know why people are saying this is invisible.
They put like
No, it's not.
I hear I'm hearing things.
Cosmetics.
Behind you, bro. Behind you, bro. Behind you. No, I saw y'all. There ain't a lot of people right there. Look about getting new thing too. What the heck? This is the time what everyone has been waiting for. There are new updates in caves. Clear placement. Or the ugly switch is still there. Yeah, it's just still there. What? Hold on, bro. I don't. What was that? I did first try. What the heck? What is that? What is this? It's grass. It's melting. Is Martin getting a revamp? Is it melted? Please tell me it's already out. Will we wait for so long?
Guess what? The only good
Oh, this feels so bigger. What? It's a new map. It's a new map. What the? That looks sick.
exactly like that's the only good
What
thing.
the heck?
They're literally
Well, why am I naked? What?
Look at me, boom, boom.
Is there a ghost?
This is my tablet.
Well, guys, this is the update. I rate it 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. That update is so good. I like it so much. Sharks in the game now. Very good. But if y'all want to play with me, this update, join my Discord. And if I get 100 members in the Discord server, I'll start doing fan lobbies. And maybe get some people mod. But please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month, which is around the corner. So please subscribe. If I buy this badge before you subscribe, then I'm gonna hunt you down. Bought it. Did you subscribe? Hopefully you did. And yeah, bye guys.